Hey guys, today's video is a really exciting one because I'm going to show you how to make my beloved green tea facial mist. And I know it looks and sounds really basic, but that's because it is. But I'm sure you guys are going to love it because it's just so quick and simple and easy, and it's so good for your skin. Okay, so you might be thinking, so why green tea? Why even bother to make this in the first place? Well, as you guys know, green tea is so good for our bodies. I drink it every day because not only are green tea leaves packed with antioxidants and nutrients that help to protect and nourish our bodies, but it also comes with other really amazing benefits. Green tea contains a really powerful catechin called EGCG, and catechins are antioxidants that help to prevent cell damage and basically do a lot of really good things for our bodies. An article that was published in 2016 found that the EGCG in green tea is not only a fantastic antioxidant, but it also has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. So it has been shown to help calm, soothe, and improve acne skin, oily skin, or just irritated skin in general. And because EGCG is antimicrobial, it also helps to stop the growth of any bacteria that might be causing acne and skin inflammation in the first place. So basically, green tea is good for our whole body, like inside and outside. So let's just jump right in and let me show you how I make this. You will need some hot water, an organic tea bag, a really big glass, a spray bottle, and a funnel. I'm sure you guys know where I'm going with this. All I do is I put the tea bag in the glass, I fill it up with boiling water, and I let it steep for 5 minutes. And you might be wondering why I'm making so much. But that's because after 5 minutes, I pour half of the tea into another cup, and this cup I drink. Then I just wait for the other half to completely cool. When it's cooled, I remove the tea bag and just put it aside for later. I actually use this throughout the day. I'll just keep steeping more tea with the same tea bag. Once the tea bag is gone, I carefully pour the mixture into the bottle. You can also use loose green tea leaves. That way you can leave the leaves in the water and it just looks like really aesthetically pleasing. But loose tea leaves are always out of stock at my grocery store, so I usually just use the bagged green tea. And there you have it, your own green tea facial mist. So I actually like to use this in a few ways. The first is, if for whatever reason my skin is breaking out or feels irritated, I'll spray this on my face right after I've cleansed my face before I use anything. So I use it kind of like an essence, and it just does a really good job at calming my skin a little bit before I continue with the rest of my skincare. And the second way I use it is alongside a hyaluronic acid serum or a moisturizer. So as you guys know, hyaluronic acid can carry up to 1,000 times its weight in water. So if my skin feels extra dry and irritated, I'll spritz this on before or after I've used a hyaluronic acid serum, but before my moisturizer, and this will just give my skin an extra layer of hydration. Or if I'm not using a hyaluronic acid serum, I'll spritz this on after I've applied a moisturizer that contains hyaluronic acid. And this way, my face will stay hydrated for longer because the hyaluronic acid will continue to pull in moisture from the face mist. And lastly, I like to use this as a midday pick-me-up. I like to use it to make me feel more refreshed and rejuvenated, especially if I've been groggy all day. It's more therapeutic at that point, I'd say. When it comes to how long this lasts, I like to make a new one every 2 days because there are no preservatives in this. It's literally just water and green tea, and sometimes water can start to go bad. It can start to smell stale, and I just really don't want to risk the health of my skin. So it's really fast and simple, and yeah, I just like to make a new one every 2 days. You also don't have to keep it in the fridge or anything. I mean, you can if you want for a more, refreshing experience when you spray it on your face. When it's cold, it's refreshing. But I basically just carry it with me wherever I go. I'll throw it in my purse if I'm going out, but usually it just sits on my desk for easy access. So that's it, guys. I hope I've convinced you of the fabulous benefits of green tea. Maybe you'll start to have a cup a day. Maybe you'll try this out for yourself. If you do, definitely let me know in the comments if you liked it. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to me if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys again in my next one.